Hi, everybody. Welcome to Code with William Jamming, and I just finished with this a pretty cool looking cyberpunk inspired text reader. So when you actually read the text, you can see that I scroll down. There is like a progress bar appear at the bottom, and as I scroll, it's just to continue to increase or decrease. And if I let it go, just for a few seconds, it will just have a really smooth transition of a bar. I think it's more like a wheel to stick at the right side. And the reason for I designing this is that when you say the user is like reading and you don't want let me talk a little bit about design. I know it's like a programming channel, just bear with me. Design is very, very important, especially if you are indie developer. You have to do the design as well as the all this code at the same time. You have to think about how user interact with your app. So if you got like a really cool progress bar, even though you got I sometimes even got this like a decreased opacity, so you got a little bit transparent floating. You got like a really smooth animation, but it sort of obstruct with the user, and I don't want that. So I want when user is not actively scrolling, they do not actually use this amazing animation. They just want to actually look at the text. So it's better just to stick to the right side. If the user is actively scrolling, they are like very much need to see how much is left, like a visual representation of how much they have already read and how much is left. So you can get like a progress bar here, and I add a shadowing effect, so you got like a illuminating or like a shining effect. Okay, and once you have reached to the bottom, I write a logic to calculate that. I add a like a changing of position. Okay, so as you can see, it's sort of like a push. Okay, like a push this part to the right side, and then we got this up arrow here. Okay, so I spent a lot of time like figuring this out. So yeah, once you got this button and you can click it, right? Of course, if you like wait for too long, I maybe need to like fine tuning the wait. Okay, so you need to tap it and you clear all this progress. You go to the top, and then you can start. Maybe you can incorporate this sort of code into your project. Then you maybe add a menu here and click in the menu like like a drawer. We just go to the right, and you can look at another chapter or something like that. Right now, I just made a like a one page one view for this. Of course, you can incorporate this into your code. And by the way, I also write a text version, okay, at my website called Learn Free. It's my Code with William Jamming's website. And if you join Patreon, you can read the text version of this. I got like step-by-step tutorial as well as full code. And of course, you can also download my code at Patreon. I really need your help right now because in order to make this channel live, I need to like constantly updating and recording. As you can see, my Patreon just got like my revenue just got like $3 a month. Excluded tax is just like $2. I can't make a living and continue to maintain the channel this way. So please support me by joining the Patreon. Thanks so much. And I sort of like adding all this tutorial as well as the source code. You can download here. So basically, this video is sponsored by me. Okay, and I also like get all this my previous text version of tutorial or the source code, the download link. I compile all that into a pinned post, so you guys can just click and download all that. And of course, the great thing about this is that you can use that once you join that, even for 1 month. You can download all the previous code. It's like access to the like all the source code, and you can download all of it, and you can use that commercially. You can use in your project. Doesn't really matter. Okay, I'm really cool about this. I just need you guys to please support me, just to you know, I'm going through a pretty hard time in my life, and if you like, I also got like a learn digital art with William Jamming, so I talk about my current situation. That channel is just really hard for me, so please support me and support this channel. And yeah, so basically it's not like a tutorial, okay, for this video. I just like quickly go through what this like a demo. Okay, so thanks and bye.